Hey guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on 8years TV. And as I always say, if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and also clicking on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified.
You said something.
Yes, please.
You said being with Shatta for that years. How many years?
8.
8 years.
If I'm not mistaken.
Was a waste of your youth.
Yes.
Moment.
But a very good gain to my experience in life. And everything I learned through that experience. I say my youth, not my life.
Yeah.
My youth because between 17 and the age 25.
Fine,
yeah. Lots of girls are enjoying life.
Of course.
They have numerous boyfriends. They're switching. They're checking what's up in life. But here I was trying to build something with someone. You know,
and why is it a waste now? You see,
because it didn't end the way, just like a Nigerian movie. My life was like a Nigerian movie. You understand?
And this said they're open.
Not like the Amepe, the way it should have. Oh, yeah, Papa. Whatever you give, you must get. Do you understand?
I haven't it. Only will be about what's not in a babem. It is a who use words a waste of your youthful. How do you see Majesty?
Majesty is a blessing. He's there for a purpose also. That's why I said the entire meeting, from him to the friends I had around him to my son, everything that happened was supposed to happen. I have learned my lessons with men. I have learned my lessons with friends. And I have also come to appreciate the presence of my son in my life, or as
okay.
I don't know how to say it.
Oh, if you don't know, we can't know.
I said there's a reason for you to be responsible. There's a reason for you to fight.
Yeah.
There's a reason for you to want to be a better person. I went back to school recently because I want my son. He's 5 now. Already 10. Now JBA. Mommy, what do you do? I want to have a proper answer for that question. I want him to be able to look up to me. I cannot be sitting here selling jollof and I tell him, be a lawyer. I want you to be a lawyer. What have I achieved that I want him to achieve such a feat? I must make myself an example to him. So he's the main reason for if me will be in future. It's because of Majesty, and without Wale, I would not have had Majesty.
And so there wasn't any time wasted.
The youth in there, it was it.
What say with youth?
I say youth, I shouldn't have been there stuck hustling with somebody. No, I was young. I was 16 in the university. I let that all go. I was,
Wow.
I don't regret it.
Shatta himself, you let that all go for him.
What doesn't he know?
Of course.
He knows it all.
He knows it all.
Yeah.
But I think that we can't be delving into
Country.
Yeah.
Shatta Wale in it.
Me pacho.
Maybe
Can I do
I make
Me
it's not say I think.
Can I do
It's not say I think. And I can't say you think. We say I think.
You think
Ah,
what?
what's my name called Wale?
I didn't say me and ko. I never said that.
What say?
I know, be careful.
Of course,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
You feel.
Timiko Bako.
There be a question.
I understand where he's coming from.
Yes,
That is
yes.
all right. I
Maybe.
respect that actually.
I man tun san frɛ say maybe pɛ w'anim go ase.
Of course.
Nipa bebree meka ho na one Shatta nam no asa mo inspire nkrofo bebree mo man nkrofo bebree hope
Yeah.
mo ma entertainment here there
Yeah.
to the sense say oto nyom ba ko mienu
Yeah.
yensa
Hit songs.
what I say
Yeah.
I can sing this song.
No, but it's a fact. Hit songs.
oh enti ama menya opportunity ni
Yeah,
me
yeah.
bisa because I'm person sell but ebe man nipa ayofo ate wasemo
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel say enu nti na edi san komo
Yeah.
Of course.
what
Yeah.
I say nye bibia
That's why I said earlier, with all the boundaries we were breaking and the doors we were opening, it was unconscious. We just, have that spark, yeah, breaking boundaries. We're making history without even making the effort to make that history.
Wow.